Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I've come up with a curry recipe and this is made of large green chillies. This is very popular in south part of the India and it's very good spicy if you're spicy lovers. I've taken 200 grams of large green chillies and marinated with oil, 3 spoons oil, 1 spoon salt and half spoon chili powder and pinch of turmeric. And I have taken 1 cup fresh coconut, powdered groundnut, roasted groundnuts and powdered roasted sesame powder. So all together I have taken this 1 cup, and I have taken half cup green veggies with coriander, and this is sorrel, or you can take any green veggies, this is optional. And I have taken half cup tamarind juice. I have soaked the tamarind in hot water and I have taken the pulp out of it, and half spoon this is fenugreek seed and cumin seed roasted and powdered, and 1 spoon jaggery. Let's start the recipe. In the pan, once the pan is heated, then I'm going to add all together and cover with the lid. Let's wait till pan gets heated. Once this gets little cooked, the color has to change like this, then we have to add tamarind juice, jaggery and fenugreek cumin seeds, roasted cumin seeds powdered. Once this comes to boil, I'll add the rest of the ingredients. Once this comes to boiling, by adding tamarind juice, jaggery and fenugreek powder, the spicy level of the chili will come down. Now I'm going to add all the powders, mix them well. I've added very little oil as all these seeds and the coconut has oil in it. I'm adding greens. Cover with the lid, simmer it and wait until the oil flows on the green chilies. It's cooked now. The oil has to float like this, then the cooking is done. Let me plate it. This can be served with rice, hot rice, and with flat bread or chapati. Watching my video. If you like my video, share with your friends, and I'll come with next recipe.